Why are you sitting in the rain? Why are you sitting in the rain for? You do know it's cold. And it's windy. So why are you sitting in the rain? Thor's not. Leo's not sitting in the rain, are you, Leo? Look how weird Thor sitting in the rain because he's a husky and he's got a little fur. Coming in? Do you want to come in? Will you come in for tea words? Oh, did I say tea words? Oh, tea words! He wants treats!